Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to stream multiple cameras using OBS Studio. I will explain it in a very simple way, so you can use this method with any type of camera. First, open OBS Studio. Then click on Add Source and choose Video Capture Device. Give it a name like Webcam 1 and select your first camera. Then click OK. Now repeat the same step to add your second camera. As you can see, I have added two webcams to OBS Studio. When I hide webcam 2, webcam 1 will be visible. Next, let's add shortcut keys so you can switch between cameras during a live stream. Go to settings and click on hotkeys. Now scroll down until you see the scene section. Set shortcut key to show and hide webcam 1 and do the same for webcam 2 using different keys. After that, click OK. Now when you are live, you can simply press those hotkeys to switch between your cameras. This is the easiest way to do it. I hope this video helps you out. If it did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.